Hello everyone, how you guys doing? Today I'm going to introduce you to Nigerian. It's a dating hookup app for iOS and Android that I built using React Native and Supabase. Let's get to it. Okay, so you can see this is the landing page. You can download it right now on your Android device and use. I don't have the iOS version yet because I'm still trying to get approval for that, but in due time it will be updated on the website here. Now I'm going to show you guys a quick run through to the app, how you can use it, how you can easily get matched with different users. This is a full stack Nigerian dating and hookup app built from scratch. Okay, real time messaging, smart matching, push notifications, location aware discovery, chatting, so many features, all in one code for both iOS and Android. Okay, so let me show you guys how it works. Okay, so this is the landing page. You can get it in the link in the description below, so you can download the Android version and start using it. All right, so this is the app code. This is the app code right here. So right now we are going to open up the iOS simulator and also the Android simulator. So to open up the iOS simulator, we're going to come over here. We're going to say npx expo start iOS. Mm. So while this is opening, we're also going to open up the Android Studio. So we're going to open Android Studio here. You can see the iOS simulator is already opening. So let's just go over to Android Studio and we're going to get. Okay, no. And we're going to activate a mobile device. Okay, perfect. So this one has already opened. This is another app that I'm doing for someone. So I'm just going to close this. And I'm going to come back here and I'm going to see npx expo start Android. So you can see the Android emulator is starting. Ninja Mates. You can see the little animation that I made, looking nice and clean. Just this. All right, so you can see this one. You can see this one is the same app. Let's just reload the iOS so I can see the iOS booting up. You can see the iOS version. You can see this is in light, this is in dark mode, and that's because the phone settings here is on dark mode. In the settings here. So the app is able to use to check your device to see if it's on light mode or dark mode, as you can see. All right, so we can see the light mode, you can see the dark mode here. So to create an account, all you have to do is enter your name. So here I'm just going to say Nathaniel. Okay, no, let me just say Peter James. Okay, then phone number 080000000, and create a password. I'm going to say Nijakuda. Sign up. So here you can ask you what are you into, save password, music, gaming, photography. Continue. When is your birthday? So I'm just going to say 2000, and the months 06 11. So you can see here it automatically calculates how old the person is. You can see your gender. I'm going to say male. I'm going to continue. Enable location, allow location, say allow. Select your state. Which state are you currently in? Say Abuja. And let's say Lagos. Continue. So here you upload your photos. So I'm going to check full access albums. Okay, so we don't have a photo. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to the browser and we're going to look for any male photos. uh accept all. Okay, so we're going to look for a photo for our person. We're going to take this one. I just save this thing again. I know I have to long press. How do you go back? Let's pick another photo. Save the photos. Let's pick another photo. And this one. Save the photos. Okay, so we have 3 images now. I think we can work with that. Then I'm going to come back here. I'm going to say upload photo. Upload other photos. And say continue. So tell us more about yourself. Honest and open, and looking for something sweet. So continue. So what are you here for? Casual, friends, relationships. I'm just say casual, and I'm going to complete. Now over here, I'm going to create this account. I'm going to say Jessica. You can see the main page has already loaded. It's looking clean, and you can see here you have your light and you have your dark mode. So you can auto it, or you can pick the one you want. So this one, we're going to leave this one on light mode, and we're going to use this one here on dark mode. So this one is going to be Jessica Banks. Phone number 081111. Password Niger Coda. We're going to say sign up. So here we're going to say fitness, travel, movies. And how old is she? We're going to say 2024. We're going to say 5. I'm going to say on day 05. So she's 21 years old. We're going to say female. Continue. And we're going to enable location to allow it. Then we're going to say where is she at? We're going to say Abuja. And we're going to upload a photo. I think I have some photos. Okay. So we're going to use Beyonce photo. I'm going to open this. I'm going to say continue. I'm going to say I like truth, dislike lies, I want to be myself. Okay, so we're going to continue. What is she here for? We're going to say something meaningful. We're going to complete. Okay, so right now you can see she has already seen Niger Coda 25. The image is still loading. Okay, so she has seen this person. So now let's take a look at this app. So over here on the guys section, he can set a filter if he wants to see male, female, or both. If he wants to see male, he can apply the filter and it will only select male. Okay, so but we want the guy to look for females, so he can select the age range between 18 and 65. Here he can set the maximum, here he can set the minimum. Okay, so we're just going to leave this open, and then the interest, you can say don't care about this, or he can choose the distance. How far does he want the person to be from him? Or he can say he doesn't care about the distance or interest. He can choose the interest he wants to find. So with this, you can use this to filter out what you want in the person you want to see. Okay, so if you want to select if you want to say pass or like, or you don't like this person, you can just swipe. This is swipe to cancel. You can see the heart icon, so that is cancel. You can also undo it to bring it back, or you can say you like the person. This person, you like this person, you don't like this person. So you can swipe, or you can click on these buttons here. You don't like, you don't like, you like, you don't like, you don't like, you like, you get. So this profile here, his name is Peter James. So we're going to try and make sure we look out for Peter James over here. This is Jessica Banks. Okay, so this Niger Coda will say no, we don't like him. And this is Peter James, so we're going to say yes, we like him. Okay, so now that we've liked him, on Peter James' profile, he can see people that have liked him. See Jessica Banks that just liked him. Now, you can see people that have liked him and you can like them back. You can click on their profile to look at more details about them. So you can see a serious relationship. I like truth, dislike lies, and want to be myself. Okay. So you can see their interests. You can see all their other photos. Okay. So you can now cancel. Now, if you want to like, you can like, or you can dislike. So you come back here and don't like, don't like, don't like, don't like, don't like. So this is okay. No, this is a fake account. So this is Jessica Banks. So you can now see like. So you can see here it says it's a match. You and Jessica Banks liked each other. So you can send a message to Jessica Banks immediately, or you can keep swiping. So I'm going to say I want to send a message. So you can talk to Jessica Banks here. Now, also if you go to your messaging section, you can see your new matches. She can also see her matches, which is Peter James that she just message. Now she can also click on here and she can send a quick break the ice message. Like you can see here, hey handsome, how's your day going? Or these other options, or you can write your own message. So we're just going to pick one option here and send. Over here, immediately you can see here, the message comes over to Peter James here. So you can see the message here, say, hey handsome, how's your day going, right? So we're going to click on the message. We're going to say, I'm good. How are you? Okay, and send. So you can see the message here, instant messaging, however you like. How do I remove this thing now? Stay there. So, oh no, go to the top. Okay, side is better. So you can see the messages here. How are you? I'm good. And you. Send this. So you can see the messaging is working perfectly. Now you can also click on the person here to see more about the person, or you can cancel. You can click here. You can unmatch with the person. You can block, or you can report the person if they are speaking, saying things that you don't like. Okay. Now on this call icon here, you can share your contact with this user. So you can click on here and say this will share your phone number with Peter James. Share. And then you can see say Jessica Banks want to talk. They share their numbers with you. They must really like you. So here is saying call Jessica Banks immediately. So you can see the messaging is working perfectly, guys. So if you go back, you reload here. And if you also want to find other people you want to talk to, instead of swiping, you can just come nearby. She can come nearby. You can see these are people that are nearby. He has already disliked a lot of them. So yeah, you can say start afresh in case you want to, in case people that you've disliked before, let's say you don't have any matches again, you want to go through those people that you have disliked before, you can say start afresh and be able to like speak to them again. So these are all the people nearby. So you can pick each profile, decide if you want to match with them. It's all up to you. It's all up to you. Okay. So even here, you can just slide your fingers up. You can see more details about the person, and you can close it back down. Uh, Here helps you refresh. Here helps you see your likes, people that have liked you. This like will go away now. You can see because we've already matched. And then you can also check your profile and change your photo if you want to change your photo. So this is Jessica Banks photos loading. So you can see your name, you can see your gender, you can see your age, see your bio interest. You can change all this, is all up to you. You can change your state. So FCT2. You can share your number with matches. This means if anybody that matches with you, you want to share your number with them immediately, you can also do that here. Okay, so these are some of the prompts you can configure. It's really just a quick dating hookup app that can let you meet new people instantly. Okay, so everything is already set up, good to go. Your filters here for the lady, Android and iOS version looking clean. So you can set yours to dark if you want. So the app is really just set up to easily meet people and easily connect with them and share your contact with them instantly. So you can easily do that as quick as possible. You can open the app to test it out if you want. You can download it from here, Nigerian Meet. Okay. Now we also want to test out something else too. We want to test out the admin panel, because without an admin panel you can't control anything. So we're going to cd into admin, npm dev. Okay, so here we're going to go to localhost. So this is the admin panel. This opens with admin and admin. So over here you can see all your total users, those that were active today. So you can see I created 2 accounts today, so I'm able to see who was active today, the total likes, pending reports, total reports, or the messages sent. Okay, so you can check all your users here. So you can see Jessica Banks and Peter James, which are these 2 profiles I just launched, are currently online. You can also see the online or offline status of every user. So you can see Jessica Banks. So you can see Jessica Banks is online, and she too, she can also see that Peter James is online, right? Really cool. So you can see all the other dummy accounts I created, so you can view them. You can view them, see all their images. You can delete all their images. You can delete the user from your app. You can see their phone numbers. You can see their bio interests. You can see their matches. Let's go back. Let's see Jessica Banks. You can see she matched with Peter James. You can see our images. You can swipes given, swipes received, messages. You can see reports. Currently we have no reports. You can see the matches that have been done. You can see Jessica Park, Peter James. You can unmatch them if you want, and if they check their app, they will see they have been unmatched with that user. So you can see, boom, gone. So with the admin panel, you have total control of whatever is going on in your application. Okay, with all your users, you can easily delete them. You can easily view them. You can see where they are. You can see if they are online or offline. You can see them, if they set their phone number to be hidden or displayed. So you have a dating app ready to go instantly if you want. Okay, so with the landing page already set, the landing page is very easy. It's just an index file, as you can see here in the landing. It's just this index file that we're using, and you can download the APK right now and start using if you want. You can download just 84 MB. Okay, you can download it and start using. So let me know what you guys think about this. It's really great. The link to download this whole thing, your admin app landing page, the link to download the whole thing is in the description below. The link to download the APK to test it on your Android device is also in the link below. Make sure you message me and you let me know if you want this code or you want to set it up for yourself. Let me know. Okay guys, I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.